We wanted something straight out of the box. We wanted to not be the ones that were programming it and the ones that were making the decisions on what a screen looks like and what buttons are on a screen. We needed to get out there fast, and we needed to be able to get this into our agents' hands and let them use it and utilize it for our customers. Within 3 months of looking at how InsuranceNow worked and rethinking how we were going to do business, we were able to say, look, just because we've done these two things for 25 years doesn't mean we have to do these anymore.
The pros of the functionality were out of the box in the base is a tremendous amount of straight through real-time processing capability, which didn't exist prior to InsuranceNow. That really, in our eyes, was the game changer and one of the big drivers for going in the direction of InsuranceNow.
We looked at various platforms, and there was certainly some things that was extremely important to us. One was flexibility. Another one we were concerned about is not having to do a lot of customization, because we wanted to be able to continually upgrade. We are excited to say that we did no customization, which, looking at it, is almost shocking. We have to deal with every agent in every distribution channel and 200 member companies for claims and 374,000 customers. For us not to have to do any customization, I think speaks volumes. By us going with a system without any customizations, we're able to continue to deliver a state-of-the-art system with the best, newest technology that Guidewire has to offer.